Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making this breakfast replacement that will help you to burn fats, boost your metabolism, clear out toxins from your system, fight against indigestion, and give you a very good gut. It will also give you clearer skin. The first ingredients that we're going to be needing, we'll be needing citric fruits for this recipe. I'll be using 3 oranges, 1 large grapefruit, and 1 lime. Citric fruits are very good for weight loss. They contain high amounts of vitamin C, which is very good for weight loss. It also helps you to fight against indigestion. They also contain high amounts of fiber, which will keep you full for a very long time, not to crave for other calories. So we're going to be squeezing out the juice from all the fruits. They are also very good source of antioxidants that contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which is very good for your system. They will help you in boosting your overall health, boost your metabolism, and fight against some illness such as cancer, heart disease, kidney stone, and also diabetes. Oranges, on the other side, contains high amounts of flavonoid, which will help you to target your belly fat. They will also pop out those excessive gas from your system, fight against indigestion, and give you a very clean colon. So after juicing out, we're going to also be juicing out the juice. We'll be squeezing out the juice from the residues because nothing is a waste, guys. As you can see, there are some juice that are coming out from the residues. So after sieving, we're going to keep that aside and introduce the other ingredients. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is ginger. Ginger helps in boosting blood circulation. They contains ginger raw, which will help you to suppress your appetite, not to crave for calories. They are also a very good source of anti-inflammatory. They will help you to fight against excessive gas from your bowels. They will improve your digestion. If you are suffering from indigestion, ginger is a very good plant that will help you to fight against indigestion. They are also very good source. They are very medicinal. They will help you to fight against cold, flu, and also if you are suffering from pain all over your body, ginger will help you to reduce pain. Our next ingredient is papaya. I'll be using a cup of frozen papaya for this recipe. Papaya contains antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which is very good for your body. It will help you to fight against those bad cholesterol. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is apple. An apple a day takes you far from your doctor. Apple contains high amounts of fiber. They are very good source of vitamin C. They contain antioxidants, which will help you to boost your overall health. They will also help you in fighting against those toxins from your system. They will boost your metabolism and give you a clearer skin. So after chopping all ingredients, we're going to be transferring everything to our blender, and we'll be blending that into a very good smoothie. If you have watched in this extent and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my upload. Don't forget to share to your loved ones, share to those people that you want this video to benefit. So after transferring everything to the blender, you want to make sure to blend to a very good smoothie, okay? Because we're not going to be sieving out, we're going to be taking it as a smoothie. You want to blend as much as possible so that you enjoy it while taking it. So here we have our amazing fat burning smoothie, our breakfast replacement that will help you to burn fat. They will help you to boost your metabolism, clear out your skin. If you are suffering from dull skin, this drink will give you a brighter and clearer looking skin. They will also help you to fight against indigestion, fight against bloating. If you bloat a lot, this drink will help you to fight against bloating. Take 1 cup in the morning. You can also take it in the evening before going to bed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye for now.